What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. It's 9:20 in the evening here in the great state of New York. Monday, July 27th, 2025. I just got a message from the emergency service hotline at Pipe Doctor Home Services. We have an existing residential client. The Nest is saying that there's no power to the thermostat and it's 90 degrees in the house. Now, mind you, this particular residential client likes it like Sahara hot in the house. I'm not exaggerating. Not only do they have a Lochinvar fire tube combi, the Noble, right? But even though that's running all winter long to try to maintain 77 degrees, we installed a Bosch IDS 2.0 heat pump a few years ago so they can really pump in the heat. So we got hydronic heat and forced air heat from a heat pump on a ducted system. I told them, hey, you know what? Want to come tomorrow morning? I'll be there as early as 7:30 in the morning. You'll save yourself about $1.250. He goes, Mike, it's worth it. Come tonight. I'm like, all right, I'll be there in 20 minutes. By the way, it's a neighbor. Literally, there's 1, 2, 3 houses between their house and my house. Still gotta go get the truck, don't I? Let's go. Sorry, dogs. Alright. Hello, Pipe Doctor. It's cool in here.
Oh, yeah. Compared to what?
Compared to outside.
Oh. For now. But you know, in the middle of the night, it's going to be even worse.
No. It's not even on the wall.
But it was, and then it kept on coming off, and then it's just like, keeps on.
Why is it not like going back on the wall?
I put one of the other ones on there.
Yeah.
It still had the same issue.
Huh. Equipment detected. It just feels weird. Like it's just like.
Right, it's like not connecting. That's what I thought originally.
It's like.
Now I could get one of the other ones, but it still have it connects better, but it's the same problem.
Okay.
You want me to try another one?
No. Let me check voltage here.
Last year.
Yeah, if that was a repair.
Okay.
I'm gonna wager that the drain line is clogged. Why is there a TV antenna up here? There it is. There's the Bosch. Bosch. Mr. Bosch. Alright, let me see if I can get in there. Ow. I am not built for this anymore. Pablo, honey, come to Florida. Alright. Okay. Let's see what we're gonna see here. Yeah, full of water. What do you think's full? Let's see. see if I can, ow. Where's this drain go? Let's see if I can clear out this drain. Good old mouth to mouth. I'm going to improvise, adapt, and overcome. Watch this. All right, I just created a standpipe. Now, I am going to blow on that pipe with my mouth, and I'm going to hold this over there with the objective to clear the drain line. Okay. Now it's draining. See? It's draining. And that little thing is going down. Yeah, what does it say on the wall now?
Which one?
The Nest thermostat, the one that was saying there's no power? Oh, I know. All right. And there you go. Yeah, that's the old unit. Abandoned up here. Yeah, I guess we left some garbage here. Not gonna lie. But we're running. It's my install. Yeah, new line set too. That wasn't fun. But we're draining now. Let's make our way back out of this abyss. OSHA approved plywood with nails. Oh, and I can already see the comments. Mikey Pipes, you do the after hours call so you can take all the money. Hell yeah. Absolutely. Why not? What is this? Fly Air India and a Boeing 707 with Rolls-Royce engines. Imagine there's like tons of money in here. Oh man, imagine. Nope, no money. And if there was, I wasn't telling. Ow, my knee. Ow. I'm stuck. Get the...
Hi.
Okay.
How you doing over there?
You could have waited till tomorrow morning.
Are you kidding me? Yeah, huh? No, because yesterday, my daughter, we were.
Isn't there a ductless up there?
She has a ductless,
Yeah.
but the rest of us don't.
Okay.
My daughter split her thumb yesterday. We were busy in the ER
Oh.
getting it stitched.
Full
So that was-
saliva.
So we slept last night. So I'm already no one's on like 2 days of sleep. It would be very bad. I'm like, no. I'll pay the extra money.
Take some Ambien. Because I think the base is messed up, but we're running. This is going to be epic, by the way.
What?
This is going to be epic.
I don't think it's that bad.
You don't think it's that bad? Yeah, really? You want to bet?
It's pretty bad.
Oh my God. Come on. Look, there's like, that's gross.
Yeah. It's gross.
So,
I need a nose.
yeah,
Wait, there's one more day.
let's see, hold on, let's see if I can. Look, it's quiet now.
Can I do it without the filter for the day?
Oh God.
So I didn't even filter.
I think even if you did without the filter for a year, it's still better than what it's what it is now. Oh my God.
Okay.
Oh. Yo. I'm sorry, this is good content, by the way. I'm sorry.
By all means.
Yeah, but they don't know who it is. We can say your name though if you want. No, your address? No, it's all good. The people be coming here like, repossesses air conditioning. He doesn't need to have one. Doesn't take care of it.
Well, I need a maintenance plan.
Yeah.
What's the damage for maintenance plan?
It depends on the frequency, how frequent you want us to come here. If you don't even change the filters, I would say at least every 4 months because I know you use it year round. I'll put together a package for you, but $1.250
for the year, not for the quarter.
You know what $1.250 is?
It's $1.25.
All right, just pulled off front of the house, easy peasy, and signed them up for a custom HVAC service plan. We're to come here 4 times a year, and we're going to change the filters, treat the drain, and do a cleaning on his lock-in bar. Gave him a great price. There is a comma in the price, so it's not like dirt cheap, but he's like, sign me up. Paid for it on the spot for a full year. Easy peasy. All right, folks, I am home. I see the house from here. Getting the job done. Catch you in the next one. Be well, God bless, stay safe.